The latest rage in home upgrades is smart toilets. And I want to thank Winzo for sending me this one to check out. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, one of the best things about this is it already knows when you're in the room. But let's take a look at some of the core functions of it. The first thing that you need to know is the seat is heated, and you can adjust the seat temperature with the remote control right here. All you do is press this button. It'll tell you the temperature that the seat is currently set at, and you can continue to press it and it will give you the options. So this is with no heat applied to the seat at all. Press it again and we get to 34 degrees Celsius. One more time it's 37 degrees Celsius, and you know you're doing the seat because you see a little seat indicator there. And press it one more time and you get to the maximum temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Now that temperature is also indicated on the toilet itself if we look down at the display. Now I'm going to try to give you a fair representation by putting my hands on the bowl. I'll be able to show you the cleaning that is available. And you can operate this via the remote control or the button on the side. Now that button is on the left hand side as I'm facing the toilet, but if you're sitting on it, it'll be on your right.
The remote control gives you the ability to set this nozzle forward or backward depending on which user is using it. And in addition to the normal rear wash, you also have a feminine wash that will adjust the spray and direction accordingly. And in addition to the remote control, you can also choose to operate these functions from this side button, which is very convenient while you're on the bowl.
If you're on the toilet, the button on the right hand side being pressed will cause the toilet to flush. If you rotate it forward, it's the feminine wash. If you rotate it backwards, it's the normal wash. And you can operate all those core functions from the remote control as well. The rear function, the front function, and the air dryer, which I haven't even told you about yet, is also something you can operate from the remote control. When you're on the toilet, if you press the air dryer, it has an air blower in there, and it'll use heated air that you can set the actual temperature of and use that to dry you off. My previous toilet used 1.6 gallons of water for each flush. This one uses less than 1.28 gallons per flush, and it flushes better. So as you sit down, you'll notice that little pre-rinse that happens. Now, when you get up, you're gonna notice that the toilet flushes itself. Little rinse, very powerful flush. Now, when we hit flush, it's gonna rinse the sides before the actual flush. Nice, powerful flush. Once it gets done flushing, as it fills up, it's gonna rinse the sides again. It's going all the way around the rim of the bowl.
This is truly a modern marvel of toilets.